Sunghyun Industry Company Limited is a company that develops, produces, and sells products in various fields, mainly dealing with automotive components and packaging insulation products. Ganpomi, one of the packaging insulation products developed and sold by Sunghyun Industry, is a product developed with Sunghyun's unique technology. Ganpomi is a self-adhesive air cap that can be used for packaging conveniently and practically. Existing caps had many problems during their use. Separate adhesive materials such as tape and staples along with cutting were needed for packaging, and there were various inconveniences such as poor packing stability due to space between the product and the air cap, and excessive packaging due to poor stability. Sunghyun Industry has constantly researched from the user's point of view and developed Ganpomi, a self-adhesive air cap. A film coated with an adhesive that is harmless to the human body is applied to the surface of Ganpomi. When the adhesive films meet each other, a self-adhesive function is achieved. Coated self-adhesive films pull the same material together. This allows product packaging without any additional adhesives. The self-adhesion function prevents excessive use of air caps and prevents secondary damage caused by movement by being packaged to fit the products perfectly. Such self-adhesive Ganpomi is used as a packaging material for various products, such as glass bottles, camping and travel products. Sunghyun Industry also researches, develops, and manufactures and sells customized automation equipment that utilize Ganpomi using the technology of the company. Ganpomi customized automation equipment is a facility for packaging products and can be applied to packaging processes of various products such as automotive parts and glass products. In particular, the more convenient packaging process will not only improve work efficiency, but also improve packaging stability, which will greatly help reduce the product breakage rate. Sunghyun Industry is constantly striving to become a company that is not satisfied with the present and approaches customers. We are always researching and developing various products to make products that consumers need. A companion that impresses beyond customer satisfaction. Sunghyun Industry will be with you.